Start streaming. Well, hello again. Okay, we finished all the work. All the requires are already done. Let's go to take a look. Okay, this is the software, right? Here in this part. Here. Well, the require was create a relation between the contractor and all the models, aux user, technical, and cashier. Okay, that's done. Here I have all the relation with the contractor here and with this other property. Okay, that's done. The same thing in the cashier. Okay, here in the cashier. Okay, over here the contractor, and they have the same property over here. That's so really fast to to do it, you know. And it's easy. Okay. Well, the contract and the relation is in both direction. And for that reason, this is the contractor, and the contractor, I created the relation in back. Okay, that's it. I did it. I finished with the configs here in the configs. So where are the configs? Entity controller, soft controller, config. The config, entity configs. Okay, here we have the configs of the software. I write there the protection to the delete in cascade. That's it in the outs, in the same in the cashier over here, and that's it. Okay. When let's go to inside over here. This is okay. This account. Let's go inside. Okay, let's go to the test. Okay, look at here. Let's go to premium a little more bigger here. Okay. This is the software. Here, this is the company, the corporate, and this is the user. And this is the master, super user, you know. Okay, I'm going to create a contract, a contractor. Here, I come over here, I can say, hey, let's go to, I don't know, um, test on me las arrugas, tal, SEC, data. We're going to put in some data over here. And this is the email what I'm going to do to need a really email. No, I need a real email. I'm going to use this one. Next place, this one email. I created just for test. Okay, and that is next place over here. Next place. Okay, and I'm going to put in some picture over here and wherever picture here. Okay, picture. Let's go to this picture. I'm going to okay, for 34, and I'm going to put in what is the percentage where I'm going to win that contractor. I'm going to save. That's it. We have the picture, all the information. They're sending us message toast, sending the show you the information about it. Everything is okay, and I'm going to the email, and I received the email. With this email, I'm going to confirm the account of this contractor. Okay, I take this temporary password. I generate this password, this temporary password, and then send it with the email. Okay, going now. Sorry, I have to confirm the account. Okay, this is confirmed. And how it's confirmed, I can come in over here. What is the email? Next place, yes. Next place, and I put in the password, and I go inside. Okay, perfect. That's it. In this moment, I don't have any modules ability to work, but that's it. That is what I want to do. Create a relation, and the technical can the contractor can log in the software, and that's it. Okay, now let's go to the software again, because and now we need to create. We don't have any problem with the contractor. And the new thing is when it's I have already have this contractor, I need to go for a user auxiliary or technical, and I need to go to select the contractor, and look at this. You see, I can see the both. Any contractors where I created, I can look over here. I selected one of them, and later I go to create a technical information. Melas, no, arrugas, pelotudo, pelotudo. That's ID. This is the phone number. Okay, that's it. Okay, in this case, let's go to take this other email. Let's go to put it over here, and I'm going to select another picture. Oh, my computer is slowly. Okay, I'm going to here and say street 55. I'm going to create. Okay, and that's it. This is the technical. I'm going to here. I received the email to confirm the account, and now let's go to outside over here, and let's go to confirm the account. The account is confirmed, and now I need to take this temporary password and go to the what is the mail? The email? Next Planet Soft. Okay. Next Planet Soft. Here, apparently password. Let's go inside, and that's it here. And if I can take over here the picture of the technical, the name and the logo of the corporate where belong that technical. And if I wanted to change the password, I should only come over here and create a new password. Okay, I say change password, and here say everything is okay. That's it. So I go outside, log out, and I try again, Losoft, and I'm pouring the new password. Let's say login, and that's it. Well, everything is working. Well, in the next step is create the module where the technical and the contractor where I have to have access, and where I can information where I can take access. That's it. Well, this is the software. Okay, let's go here. Perfect. Okay, all the system is working perfect. This is so really nice. Well, I designed this software. I designed it from scratch. I designed the database, all the logic, the views, everything. I designed everything, and the scratch to deployment. Well, I hope you're enjoying the software. This is I designed it in .NET Core 7. Using entity framework, SQL database. I use I use a lot JavaScript because all the, for example, this model views is designed and opened with JavaScript, and at the same time, I use some JavaScript to call some special operation or something, or some special um, recovery data, something like that. Okay, that's it. For example, I designed this the plants. For example, I can go to say, hey, I need the plant down, enter, top, uh, enter, and that's it. You're looking for, and so really easy to handle the software with the keyboard. And that is the idea, no? Making a more faster operation possible to the client. Okay, well, this software is connected. Well, in this moment, I can show you because I don't have the data of the server, but it's actually working now. This software is connected with MikroTik servers using some properties like API over here. Let me check over here. This one. With this class, I can connect to remotely way to the MikroTik servers using a public IP address, and I put in there at the same time the port we're going to use to connect to that servers. And when you go to create, for example, a contract, when you're going to create a contract, you can see the information like this. Here, this is the contract. You have all the information about the contract of that client over here. You can see where is the IP, where I have that client, where where is the MAC of the equipment, where it's going to connect to the server. What is the IP server? What is the plan of the client? You know, here, what is the category? You can select the category, and once you select the category, select the plan, and say assign. And here you can appear all the information over that plan. The same thing with the no access. No access is a reference to where is the access point where is the client can connect to the network. And in this case, I can say, hey, look, this is the access point where I can connect. And here is information to connect to the MikroTik server when I can put in the a QS speed controller on the IP being the information about it, where is the MAC and the AP, where it can control the access to the server, and if don't have access, sending the hotspot page, show the client where is the service is down. Well, I hope like it. Everything is Bootstrap, JavaScript, NetCore 7, SQL, JavaScript, C#, LinkQ. What else? The structure of the software. Let me show you about the structure of the software. I design in two layers. One layer of them is this one is the class library. And this class library, I put in all the entities of the software. And what in the future, if I can create another project with, for example, NetMaui, and share all the entities with the other solution, and that's it. It's more easy to to work. Okay, in this case, the class library have all the entities here. The principal entities is this one, because in here I work all the backstage of the software. The corporate, when you can create the corporate, the plans, because the clients sell the software to other companies. Here are the entity soft, all the models of the software where it needed to work. The clients, is contract, the AP servers, the quote, everything about it, how the payments, received payments, mm, uh, clients request services, well, all of that. Okay, and here is the ASPI web. This is the .NET Core MVC C Sharp. This is the project. And here, here in the WW root, I created all the image, the jQueries. Here in the JavaScript, I created the service. All I put in, everything inside the folders, like for example, in the contract, I have all in just for handle contract, I have all of these JavaScript folder files. If I put inside the JavaScript principal folder, you're going to see something, I don't know, a lot of files I print there and more organizable. Okay, same as the service request as for another service. Okay, later I create the controller folders. Inside the controller folders, I have the entities, the principal models, and the entity soft. Okay, later I have the, let's go to close this. And later I create the folder of data. Inside there I have all the information over the data context. Here I created the entity framework connection, and here I set up all the data, the models where I'm going to set up inside the database, like tables. And with these lines, with this part, I can no, sorry, with this part, I can create. Outside, I can create outside all the configuration, a special configuration for each model, where I'm going to create it in the database. But yeah, I have a lot of models, and if I do it here in the same class, well, this is going to be so little long and so really complicated when you try to looking for where it could be the problem, in one line. In that case, when you receive some problem with each specific model, you can see over here, and you go into the configuration of that. Tough condition. For example, I wanted to see the contractor. Let's go to see cashier. Okay, let's go to see the cashier. You see, I have in cashier config class, I have all the properties where that's going to have. I say, hey, cashier ID is going to be the key of that table. Username is the index field, and can repair it in the old solution. The property they created is column type date, only date. I don't want to have the daytime. It just need date. Okay, in that case, this is how I protect the cascade to don't delete. Data in Cascade with all the models, and I say, hey, if I delete something in Cashier, I'm going to delete with document type or the contractor, because I have a relation with that models. This is the entity configs. Here I have the helpers. Here I have the classes. I use the interfaces, and the interface called the class, the abstract class, and where is really is where inside is there are the really code about the all the methods we're going to call. I wanted to use all the time. For example, I created over here the combos, the email. When I need to send email, I use over here the class. I create the interface, and from the interface, I implement the method inside the email. Here is the class. Where is the class? Oh, here. Here is the class, and that's it. I call from the setting. I call all the SendGrid AP key, the SendGrid from, SendGrid name. That is my data to the account to can send all the mail using Twilio. Okay, that's it. Perfect. That's the helper, and well, I using it like that. No, interface. Call the class, the abstract class. Inside the abstract class are all the methods where I'm going to need and throw all the software. Okay, that is injected in the program class, and that's it. Okay, later I have the helpers. This is a special things because I over here I consume API from internet when I loaded the first time all the countries, states and cities of each country. Okay, later I have the migrations, the models. This is a model view models. Something special what is not set at is not set it in the database. It's just to control or to manage some properties where I interact with the other controllers. Okay. Here are the views, all the views, and that's it. Well, I have a enjoy. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.